A day, 24 hours, the rhythm of your entire life. But 4 billion years ago, a day on Earth lasted just 6 hours. The planet was spinning almost 4 times faster. When Earth first formed from the debris of the solar system, it was spinning furiously, a violent young world hammered into motion by the forces that built it. The Theia impact, the same collision that created the Moon, actually sped up Earth's rotation dramatically. For a time, our planet was a blur. The Moon was the brake. Its gravitational pull created tidal friction against Earth's oceans. And day by day, millennium by millennium, it slowed our world down. Every single year, the day grows slightly longer. By 2 milliseconds per century, the Moon is still slowing Earth down, and still slowly drifting away. In those ancient 6-hour days, winds were ferocious, hundreds of kilometers per hour. Tides were monstrous. The compressed day-night cycle created weather no modern storm could match. Stromatolite fossils, those same ancient microbial formations, actually contain growth rings that record ancient days. They are biological clocks, written in stone. The fossils told us what no clock could. Earth's own children counted the days, and wrote them down in rock, 3 billion years before the first calendar. You've heard of Pangaea, the ancient supercontinent. But Pangaea was not the first. Before it came Rodinia. Before that, Columbia. Before that, you are, Earth's first true continent. Formed 3 billion years ago. A small, lonely landmass in an ocean that covered the entire rest of the world. Over hundreds of millions of years, tectonic forces drove these landmasses together, colliding, merging, breaking apart, like a planetary game of slow-motion billiards. When Rodinia formed, 1.1 billion years ago, it was a C-shaped landmass stretching around a warm interior sea. No animals existed, no sound, just wind across barren rock. Rodinia broke apart around 750 million years ago, and that breakup may have directly triggered the snowball Earth events, as new coastlines weathered and absorbed CO2 from the atmosphere. Then came Pangaea, the one we know. 335 million years ago, all land unified once more. Dinosaurs could walk from Antarctica to what is now Alaska without crossing water. Evidence. A fossil fern called Glossopteris, found identically on Antarctica, India, South America, Africa, and Australia. A fingerprint left across broken continents. The continents are still moving. Right now, at the speed your fingernails grow. And in 250 million years, they will collide again, into Pangaea Proxima. Your compass points north. It has always pointed north. But billions of years ago, and dozens of times since, it would have pointed south. The Earth flipped. Earth's magnetic field is generated deep inside, by liquid iron swirling around a solid inner core, creating a planetary dynamo. But that dynamo is not stable. Geologists have found the proof in ancient volcanic rock. When lava cools, iron particles inside freeze in the direction of the magnetic field, locking a record in stone forever. The record in rock showed something extraordinary. The poles had flipped at least 183 times in the last 83 million years alone, sometimes within a human lifetime. During a flip, which can take thousands of years, the magnetic field weakens dramatically. Cosmic radiation reaches Earth's surface largely unimpeded. Species vanish. We know this because extinction events in the fossil record correlate with magnetic reversals. The invisible shield fell, and the consequences were written in bone. And today, the magnetic North Pole is moving, faster than ever before. It has shifted over 2,000 kilometers in the last century. Something is stirring deep inside the Earth. Look up at Saturn through a telescope and you feel something. Awe, wonder, disbelief. Now imagine looking up from ancient Earth and seeing rings like that above your head. Scientists now believe that around 466 million years ago, a massive asteroid was captured by Earth's gravity, and instead of hitting us, it was torn apart into a debris ring. For millions of years, a ring system of rock and ice orbited Earth, casting a shadow across the equator that plunged it into perpetual cold. An ice age driven by shadow. The evidence came from the geological record of the Ordovician period. a mysterious ice age that struck the tropics with no clear orbital cause. The ring was the cause. Eventually, the ring material fell. Over millions of years, debris rained down onto Earth, a prolonged meteor shower that pelted the planet and is recorded in the fossil record. The meteors that rained down from the decaying ring left a distinct chemical fingerprint in the rock, a layer of extraterrestrial material embedded in the geological timeline of Earth. This theory, proposed only in 2024, suggests Earth's ring phases may have happened multiple times. We may have had rings, lost them, and formed them again, repeatedly throughout history. The sky above your ancestors was not the sky above you. It has worn rings. It has held 2 moons. It has burned purple, and it remembers everything. Where did life begin? We were always told, in the oceans, in the volcanic vents, in the primordial soup. But what if the ingredients arrived from somewhere else entirely? Panspermia, the theory that life or its building blocks travels through space on asteroids and comets, is no longer fringe science. Evidence is accumulating rapidly. In 1969, a meteorite fell in Murchison, Australia. Inside it, over 90 amino acids. 19 of them are the same ones found in all living things on Earth. Delivered by space rock. Nucleobases, the chemical letters that spell out DNA, have been found in meteorites. The alphabet of life is written in the language of the cosmos. If panspermia is real, then Earth life didn't start here. It survived a journey through vacuum, radiation, and the violent impact of landing. Life is tougher than we ever imagined. Tardigrades, Earth's most indestructible animals, can survive open space. They've been tested in the vacuum of orbit and returned alive. Life can ride the cosmos. If life arrived on a rock, then we are all immigrants. Every living thing on Earth may share a single origin, not in a tide pool, but in the stars themselves. Beneath your feet, right now, is a fire that has burned for 4.5 billion years. The temperature at Earth's core, over 5,400 degrees Celsius. The surface of the sun. No human instrument has ever reached the core. The deepest hole ever drilled, the Kola Super Deep borehole in Russia, reached just 12 kilometers. The core is 6,371 kilometers down. The inner core is solid iron, compressed to solid by pressure so immense it cannot melt despite the temperature. The outer core is liquid iron, swirling in vast slow currents. It is this churning liquid iron that generates Earth's magnetic field, the invisible shield that deflects the solar wind and makes life on the surface possible. But the core is slowly cooling. It loses about 100 degrees every billion years. As it cools, the liquid outer core will solidify, and the magnetic field will die. When the magnetic field dies, as it did on Mars billions of years ago, the solar wind will strip Earth's atmosphere away, layer by layer, century by century, until nothing remains. But that is billions of years away. For now, the fire still burns. The field still holds. The planet still breathes. Earth is alive, and for a cosmic moment, so are you.